Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Update. So in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on how you can become very much profitable at trading, how to stop losing your crypto trades, and also the best way you can make money from crypto right here. So in today's tutorial guys, I'm going to be showing you on how we have been able to close lots of trade. As you can see right on this particular trade on BSV USDT. This trade was dropped today. I was able to I'm already up 28.58%. This trade has not yet closed and we just started the trade. As you can see, we still have a very long way to go. As you can see, take profit is still at this particular point and we are still low here, and we are actually up 28.58% profit. Now towards the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you my Binance app, that is my trading app, to show how much I've actually earned from this particular signal. But other than this, we have actually been entering lots and lots of other trade signals on our channel. This currently up 17.84.8%, and also lots and lots of many more signals. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how I was able to capture this signal. Actually, I made use of a website, and I'm going to show you the website I actually use to get these accurate signals. This website gives you up to like 1 to 5 premium trade signals every single day, all on cryptocurrencies, on futures, and even meme coin trade. But most of the times I do prefer the futures trade because it's easy and very accurate. Now this website, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you the link to the website. You also find the link to the website down below. But before we get into that, most of my subscribers have been making use of this website. They have been making lots of profit. As you can see, if you head way up on my Telegram channel, you will actually see this particular subscriber right here. Now this particular guy, he used the signal from the website and he a little bit overused his leverage. However, he was able to still clock around 110% profit. So this actually shows you that signals from this particular website actually works. Please stay tuned because I'm going to show you this website. The name of the website is
cutrades.pro.
You can search it up, register, get an account, subscribe to premium, and start receiving 1 to 5 premium signals every single day. There are lots and lots of many more trade signals I've published on my channel. Right here was our signal on what particular pair was that? I think this was GTO USDT, and we were able to close around 20 to 30% profit on this particular trade. So there are lots and lots of signals on this website, accurate signals that you shouldn't miss out on. So subscribe and get into it. So right now, let's get into the website. So basically, this is what the
cutrades
looks like. As you can see, I'm on the URL
cutrades.pro,
and this is the homepage right here. Now this is a website that gives you up to 100 to 1,000% profit in terms of cryptocurrencies, and you can easily register an account for yourself and start trading with them. Now the website simply notifies you, telling you when to enter, when to exit, giving you the best stop loss, giving you the best analysis on the best active pairs on the market. These are pairs that can shoot up to like 10, 50 to 100, 1,000% profit. So make sure you get into this website, guys. There are lots of things to view on this particular website. Now for this tutorial, as you know, I already have an account on the website and I've been using it for new users. If you really want to get into it, hit the register now button, and once you hit the register now button, you'll be directed to add your username. Now you can add in a simple username like this, add a WhatsApp number, add your functional email address, because you'll be receiving daily notifications of the signals. Like the moment the signal is dropped, you will receive a notification, provided you're a premium user. Add your correct password, set up a nice password, and check this box. So it is that easy. I already have an account, so I am not going to be registering into a new account now. I'm going to get into my old account so I can show you lots of signals I've entered and show you lots of proof on how far the signals have gone. You can also join the Telegram channel hitting this, and also tag that you have also joined that Telegram channel. Haven't done this, you click on the sign up button and you can proceed. So make sure you add these details and tick this box right here, and then you hit the sign up button. That's all, and you're into the website. So before I sign into my account, one very important thing: once you have added in your details, you'll be sent a verification code to your email address. You'll be sent a verification code to your email address, and you simply need to add that verification code. So first of all, complete this capture, head over to your email address, get the verification code, and add it here. As you can see right here on my email inbox, I received the verified email message, and I'm simply going to copy this code right here. And now that I've copied the code, I'm going to head back to the website. Now right here on the website, I'm going to simply paste in this code, and now we can verify and proceed and get our account activated immediately. Now I've done this, let me simply get back into my original account and continue this tutorial for you guys. So right now, as you can see, I have signed into my account. Now, this is what your dashboard should look like if you sign into CU Trades. And in CU Trade right here, you can actually earn from referrals. You can share your referral link to your friends. Where is my referral link? Okay, this is my referral link here. You can share a referral link to your friends and earn a little USDT for each referral. As you can see, I earn about 0.1 USDT, but that is not what we are here for. I'm going to show you on how you can get lots of accurate signals on this particular website. So the first thing you need to do, once you get into CU Trade, head over to the menu right here. Then once you head over to menu, tap on all trade signals. Now, these are all the signals that have been sent to me since I signed up as a user. As you can see, actually got a signal today on 1000 RAT USDT right here. I actually got a signal also on BSV USDT, which I actually entered, and I'm up around 28% as I showed you on my Telegram channel. So this is that exact signal. I entered it as I was told on this particular website, and now we are actually up around 28.58% on this particular signal. And as I told you, we still have a very, very long way to go. So I'm sure I'll earn lots more from this particular signal. Now, just like that, I've been able to cap lots of profit. This is the OPUSDT signal that I got from this website, and I published it somewhere right here. Okay, this is it, where I was up around 17.34% profit, and this signal has not yet closed till today. So it is that easy to get signals from this particular platform. I've been getting lots of signals. I've been posting to my Telegram channel. If you are on my Telegram channel, if you're coming from Telegram, you will notice that I've been posting lots and lots of snapshots of profit. And so right here, this is the tutorial I've been telling you about. This is a tutorial on how you can actually subscribe and get these accurate signals for yourself. Now, other than that, I've also been earning lots and lots of signals. Right here was my signal on Python USDT. I was able to clock around 20 to 30% profit, Woo USDT, and very, very much more. So there are lots and lots of signals on this platform. On this platform, you can get up to 1 to 5 daily signals every single day. But right here, I want to show you this particular signal. This was the BSV USDT signal. I'm going to show you my current position on this signal and also a view of how much I've earned from this particular signal right here. As you can see, it gave me the exact detail of the signal, when to enter, and every other thing I needed. So right now, if you head over to my trading view app, as you can see, this was a particular signal right here on my trading view app, and currently, compared to when we were told to enter, we are actually up a lot. And if you head over to my Binance, you will see that I'm actually up around 31.62% right now on that same BSV signal. And right now, I've also accumulated over 300 USDT from this particular signal. So it's actually easy to earn from CU Trades website. Head over
cutrades.pro.
start getting lots of signal. Now let me show you on how you can actually get 1 to 5 accurate premium signal every single day from that particular website. Simply by registering, you will not get signals, but you need to get a premium subscription so you get the best accurate signals. So right now we are going to head back to the website, and I'm going to show you on how you can complete your subscription and start receiving the signals. So now back on the website, the first place you simply need to head to is the upgrade plan section. Now this gives you a list of all the subscription. You can also hit the menu right here. Once you hit the menu, hit on subscriptions right here, and once you click on subscription, it will show you the various subscription plans that you need to apply for in order to get the signal. Now currently, the subscription I am actually on is the premium plan, and I'm actually on this plan right here. As you can see, it says I'm already on this plan. Now other than this plan, you also have other plans like the trial plan. Now what is the difference between these two plans? This subscription plan lasts for 30 days and you receive up to 1 to 5 future signal every single day. Now these are those premium signals I've been dropping on my channel. They are all premium signals from this particular plan. As you can see right here on my Telegram channel, this was actually a premium signal that gave me around 28.58%, and various other signals I've been dropping on my channels were all premium signals. Now this particular plan gives you up to 5 future trade signals every single day, and you receive notifications on Telegram, via email, and also via the website. Now the best part is that it lasts for 30 days, and this is what I like the most. And at least you receive signals every single day, so at least every single day your portfolio grows and you're sure of profit. However, if you check out the trial plan, I won't recommend this plan because it lasts for only 10 days and you get only 1 signals per week, which is not actually profitable. However, I've been able to use this particular plan here, the premium plan, to secure lots of profit for myself. So right now on this particular video, I'm going to subscribe to premium. I'm going to renew my premium plan, because if you check out the home section, if you check out my plan expiration date, you will see that I have only around 2 days left before my plan expires. So I'm going to renew my subscription so that I will have a fresh 30 days of receiving premium signals, of receiving 1 to 5 accurate crypto signals every single day. Now, to easily do this, the first thing you need to do is to click on upgrade plan right here. And once you click on upgrade plan, you'll be directed to the subscription tab once again, and now you need to choose the plan. Now make sure you choose the premium plan that will give you these accurate signals every single day. So I'm going to click on choose plan, and because I do not have much in my balance, I'm going to set it to use wallet. I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to select the medium I want to use and make payment. Now you can actually pay via PayPal, or you can actually pay via crypto. Right here on this tutorial, I'm going to be paying via crypto using my trust wallet. I'm going to be paying for this particular plan. So I'm going to click on pay now right here. So this is the amount for the subscription plan, only around 47 USDT. So I'm going to click on pay now, process this transaction ASAP, and receive my premium subscription that will be giving me up to 5 signals every single day. Now I'm going to click on pay with crypto. Now obviously it will pop up a gateway, and I simply need to pay it right here into this address. Now you can actually select the cryptocurrency you want to make your deposit in. There are lots of cryptocurrencies. You can pay with BTC, you can pay with BNB, and so on and so forth. But right here on this tutorial, I think I would like to pay with BNB because that is the currency I actually hold a lot. So I'm going to be paying with BNB, and I'm going to click on next step, and I'm going to proceed. Now right here it tells me I need to pay this exact value to this exact address. So make sure you copy the correct address. It is important you copy this correct address and you pay in this exact value, so you have no issue. Your account will be funded automatically and you will receive your premium subscription. Now to do this, simply copy this address and head over to your wallet. I'm going to make my payment right here in this video. It won't take long, and then I'll receive my premium subscription. So right here on my trust wallet, I'm simply going to select BNBs right here, which is what I'm going to be using to make payments, and I'm going to paste in the address. I've pasted in the address, and right now I'm going to paste in the amount. I'm going to head back to the website and copy the exact amount. So right now I'm back into the website. I'm going to simply copy this amount right here. And now I've copied it, I'm going to head back to my trust wallet and copy my payment. So I'm going to paste in the amount. So right now I've done this, I'm going to click on next, and I'm quickly going to process this transaction ASAP, and I'll get my premium subscription. Now I've paid it in. As you can see, the transaction is currently being processed. I'm going to wait for it. Let me quickly reload my page. Yes, my account has been debited. So we're going to head back to the website right now, right here, and we are simply going to wait on this website. It will take up to maybe 10 to 15 seconds. The deposit will be processed instantly, and I will receive my premium subscription. As you can see, the payment is being processed currently, and eventually my account will be approved, and it tells me payment successful. So we are done with that. We have renewed our premium subscription, and we will continuously start receiving signals every single day. So now what is the very next thing to do? Now the next thing is actually getting the signals. And how do you get it? You get the signals basically from the Telegram channel, or basically from an email notifications that will always notify you and tell you, hi, there is a signal currently and you need to enter it. So it is that easy. I'm simply going to show you the Telegram channel you should join. It was the same Telegram channel you were assigned to join when you were registering your account, so you receive signals right there. Let's get over to the Telegram channel, and I will show you on how you can enter a signal, follow up all the details, add it to your Binance app, and get into that signal at the spot. Okay guys, so right now we are into the CU Trades Telegram channel. This was the same Telegram channel I told you guys to sign up to when you are creating accounts.
CU Trades.pro.
So now this Telegram channel where you receive the notifications of all the signals. As you can see, this was notification for the PSV signal. This was notification for the 1000 word signal, and also there are other signals, and you will also receive the screenshots of profits and various other things. So once you receive a signal, you will receive notifications either via the Telegram, that is the CU Trades Telegram channel. So make sure you're on this Telegram channel, or you receive signals also via the email. You understand? And once you receive the signals, you simply head on the click for more info. Now once you hit on click for more info, it will direct you into the signal page, and you will see all the details right here. So if you head over to this BSV particular signal that I'm currently on, and you click on the click on more info, it will direct you to the signal. You simply need to open this link, and it will tell you when and where to enter. As you can see, this is how the initial entry image should look like, and it should tell you to enter this particular point right here. Now this is the signal overview giving you every detail you need. Now it tells you when exactly you should enter your entry price. It also tells you your supposed take profit price that you should set, your supposed stop loss, and also make sure you use the leverage. Do not be like our subscriber over here on our Telegram channel that entered with more than the supposed leverage right here and was able to make 100% profit. Yes, he was able to make profit, but please do not go against the rules. Simply follow the overview, enter with the exact leverage, and be able to make lots of profit. From it, there are much more other signals that will be dropped, so just be okay with what is given for you. Do not overuse your leverage. So make sure you do that, guys, just as how this guy right here was able to make around 100% profit using the signal overview, using the CU Trades website, using
CUTrades.pro.
the same way you can also make lots of profit for yourself. Now once you get the signal overview, which is this, you can simply head over to your trading app. It can be Binance or Bybit, enter in these details and start trading instantly. To do that, you simply need to set in the pair name just as how it was given to you. For example, on the signal overview, our pair name is BSV. Right here, BSV USDT. So I'm going to be using this exact pair name right here, and it's what I'm going to be searching on Binance right now. So I'm going to type it in here, BSV USDT, given. Then I'm going to use the exact leverage I was supposed to use. So I'm going to head to the signal overview. The signal overview says I should use 2x leverage, which I will use, and I'm going to add it here and set my leverage to 2x. Then you're supposed to also set the amount. The amount you wish to use is up to you. And I haven't done that, make sure you also set the supposed take profit and stop loss position. Simply tap up right here, add in the supposed take profit amount, supposed stop loss amount, just according to the signal overview right here. That is your take profit and your stop loss. And once you have done all this, and added in all those figures, you simply buy or sell, still depending on what the signal overview tells you to do. As you can see, this signal view tells us to buy, and it's exactly what we did, and we're able to capitalize around 300 USDT in profit so far for today. And also, if you head over to my TradingView app, you will see that we still have a very long way to go. Our take profit is still set to reach here, and we are still here, and we are already up 300 USDT. That is around 13%. So guys, make sure you stay tuned to our channel. We'll be dropping much more updates on much more profits we are going to be closing.
CUTrades.pro.
Register into this site, get your premium subscription that will give you 1 to 5 trade signals every single day. And haven't done that, there's no other thing to do. Enjoy your profit, enter the trades, exit the trades as you're told to do, and I will see you guys on my very next video.